Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the Wix members area tutorial. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, I'm on the Wix website editor. So I have in here some few more options that I can choose from. But since I want to create a member area, what I can do is I can click on the search bar and then let's search in here for members. So once you search in here for members, you should be able to see this Wix members area. So click on open right here, and then this will open in turn the Wix app market. Now, once you have opened it, you can see that you can add this specific app to your site. So click on this add to site right here, and then this will load for a while in order to add a specific thing on your site. So you can just wait for this to finish the rendering process. And once you have finished the rendering process, you should be able to see some pages and menu right here. And in here, you can see the Wix members area. So under this Wix members area, you can see the member page as well. So you can actually head over and just do that right here. So when you click on this member page, you should be able to see what it will look like right here. So in here, you can see the account, display info, the account again, the visibility and privacy. So this will serve as the profile page for this specific user. So you can also see in here the login bar, so you can reposition it where you want to put it to be. So this login bar will serve as your actual thing in order to position it however you want. So this will serve as the login bar or the sign up bar for the visitors of your site as well. So you can set up your login bar right here. So you can make it avatar, it can be a full name, it can be a name only, it can be initials as well. So you can see this can be a login or log out. So this is because you only have members, and if they are still not members, it will show sign up. So you can also see in here the member sign up settings, wherein you can get people or new member to sign up. You can see in here the social and community as well as the policies right here. So in here, it will actually enable the user to log into your site using this page. So for example, let's try to see a preview of what it will look like. So let's just wait for the preview right here to finish the loading process. And once we see the preview of this, we should be able to see the login bar and we should be able to log in as well for us in here. Now let's click on preview. Or you can also just click on publish as well in order to see the finished publish process. So in here, we can actually head over and wait for this to publish. And then once it's been published, we can view the site in here. So let's just wait for this to finish the process. So on the site right here, you can see they have the login option. Now when I click on that, I will be able or prompted to sign up if I don't have a sign up credential yet. I can sign up through Google, with Facebook, or with email right here. I just need to put in here email and password if I want to sign up. So let's head back again to our Wix website editor. And then from here, let's click on the pages and menu. Now, you can actually just add a private member page. When you click on that, you should be able to click on this well. And then in here, it will create your private member page as you can see right here. And once it's finished loading, you can see that you can actually customize it by clicking on the three dots, clicking on the settings, and you can click on the permissions right here. So this one is for members only, or it can be password holders right here. It can be all members, so only selected members or paying customers. So you can just choose which one is applicable to you. And once people has logged in to your private member page, they should be able to see the perks that is included in the specific area. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below, subscribe because it helps much more people. See you soon.